Hey everybody, this is Christy with the AK Gardener, and today we're going to be talking about tomatoes. And why are we talking about tomatoes? Because it is almost summertime, and in the great state of Alaska, we have a much shorter period of time to be growing and raising tomatoes. And I think the biggest thing about it is, in Alaska, there's a lot of people, I think actually most people up here only grow tomatoes in their greenhouse. And the ones who seem to be really successful also grow in their greenhouse. And I feel like that needs to change. And what I mean about that is I want the standard of people growing tomatoes to be outside more often. And the reason why is because there's not a lot of people who can have greenhouses or who can afford greenhouses right away. And just being able to learn how to grow tomatoes inside their house and then transplant them and grow them in an area that will be productive. And when I mean productive, I'm not talking about 2 feet tall, I'm talking about 5 feet tall. That is something that I would love to be able to see happen more often in Alaska. So I'm going to bring you with me over to my garden box because I'm doing something that nobody else is doing from my knowledge, and growing tomatoes outside in late April. Anyway, come with me. Let's go.
All right, let's check out these tomatoes. And there they are. Now, we've had a couple of cold days, like 30-degree weather, but the cold frames have been helping out a lot. I transplanted these. They were a foot large, and now they're in the dirt. There you go.
Now, if you are somebody who is growing tomatoes outdoors in late April, tell me, because I would love to know more people who are doing this with me. And I would love to see pictures. I would love to see stuff. And you can show it to me at the AK Gardener on my Instagram, or tell me about it down in the comments section below. So the dog decided that she was going to jump the fence. So we had to make a hasty retreat back into the house. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to come on the adventure to see how my tomatoes do during the summer, and if you would like to see my other video about where I just did a surprise new exciting project, which I'm asking people to guess and see what it is, you can go and check that video out next. Or also come along on that journey and see what that's going to be too. There's a lot of amazing things going on in Alaska, and I would love to show you all about it. Alright guys, this is Christy with the AK Gardener. Have a good night. Bye.